Okay, once again, good morning everyone. So our topic for today's vlog is factors of the sum and difference of two cubes. So before that, let us tackle first the SOAP or SOAP. So ito yung gagamitin nating pattern on how to solve the sum and difference of two cubes. So S for same sign, O for opposite sign, A and P for always positive. Okay? So let's have the first one. So x cubed plus y cubed is equal to x plus y times the x squared minus x times y plus y squared. So saan natin ito makikita? Ang SOAP. So dito natin siya makikita. So same sign. So since this is positive, so ang first natin is positive. The opposite sign, so negative. And ang given natin kanina is positive, so dapat negative siya. And always positive. No? Itong ika-third sign natin. Again, this is our pattern we need to follow in solving x cubed plus y cubed. So let's have an example. So example number 1, we have 8a cubed plus 1. So before answering this one, let us try to check first if the given is a perfect cube. Okay? So paano ba natin i-check? Let's have the cube root of the first term and the second term. So again, this is our x and this is our y. Okay? So let's have the cube root of 8a cubed. So what is the cube root of 8a cubed? So that is 2a. So that is 2a times 2a times 2a. So the answer is 8a cubed. Okay? So this is the value for our x. And then let's have the cube root of 1. So cube root of 1 is 1. So that is 1 times 1 times 1. And this is our y. Okay? So since we have the value for our x and the value for our y, so let's substitute this one with our pattern. So let us follow the pattern. Okay, so let's have the open parenthesis. Our x here is 2a plus our y is 1 times. Again, our x is 2a. So that is 2a squared minus the x is 2a times our y is 1 plus y squared. So that is 1 squared. So this is our solution by substitution or substituting the value of x and y dito sa ating pattern. Okay? So let's have the final answer. So since 2a and 1 cannot be mixed or dili natin siya pwedeng i-add because of the variable a and ang 1 is wala namang variable, so atin lang siyang kokopyahin. So 2a plus 1 times 2a squared. Again, when you say squared, that is multiplying by itself. So 2a times 2a, so we have 4a squared minus 2a times 1, so we have 2a plus 1 squared, that is 1 times 1, so we have 1. And this is our factor for this given sum of cube. Okay, so this is our answer. This one. Okay, so let's have the second pattern. So we have the x cubed minus y cubed. Again, x cubed minus y cubed. So that is x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay, again, that is SOAP. Same sign, opposite sign, then always positive. Okay, same pattern, same solution ang ating gagawin. So first, we need to get the cube root of the value of the x and the cube root for the y. So let's have the cube root of 27b cubed. So what is the cube root of 27b cubed? So that is 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27. So the cube root of 27 is 3. And the cube root of b cubed, so that is b. Galing siya sa b times b times b. Okay? So we have, for the value of x, we have 3b. So that is our x. And then the cube root of 8c cubed, again, ang cube root niya is, ang cube root ng 8 is 2. Then cube root ng c squared is c. We have 2c. So this is for the y. Now, following the pattern, so let's rewrite the equation.
Okay, so we have 27b cubed minus 8c cubed
Equals, our x is 3b, our y is 2c. So let's have this one. So times 3b squared plus the x times y, which is 3b times 2c. Again, this is our x and this is our y. And then for the y squared, we have the 2c squared. Close parentheses. Okay, close parentheses. Next, for the final answer, let us solve. So since 3b and 2c cannot combine because of the variable, they have different variables. So ang ating gagawin ay ating kokopyahin na lang. Okay, so we have 3b minus 2c times 3b squared. So that is 3b times 3b. So we have 9b squared plus 3b times 2c. Lagi ko sinasabi sa estudyante ko, unahin natin i-multiply ang number. So 3 times 2, so that is 6. And b and c cannot be multiplied. So ang gagawin natin is pagtatabihin na lang natin since this is multiplication. So 6bc plus 2c squared, so that is 2c times 2c, so the answer is 4c squared. So this is our answer for this given equation. Yun lamang, kung may tanong kayo, comment lang sa baba. Salamat!